How to change password in TikTok on PC. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change password in TikTok on PC. For this, you want to launch open any web browser. Now search for TikTok, then click on this website which is tiktok.com. Once you get here, you want to click on the login option at the left hand side panel. Then select the option of use phone email / username. Now, what you want to do over here is click on the option of log in with password. Now, you have the option of forgot password. Go ahead and click on that option. You can use your phone number to reset your password or click on the reset with email option at the top. Then you want to enter your email address over here. Now click on send code. Now you want to enter the 6-digit code that you can find in your email. Once you have entered the code, you want to now create a new password. Make sure that you create a strong password. After this, click on the login option. And with this, you can easily change password in TikTok on your PC. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.